back to me with Garima. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is all about this game changer product called the Quick Flick. It's an award-winning product, guys, because it's an eyeliner, a cat wing eyeliner, stamp and just go, and you can achieve the perfect eyeliner, wing eyeliner look in less than 30 seconds. Isn't it magical? I'm gonna take you step by step through this entire video that how you're going to create this wing liner look, actually nail the look with this magical product. The best part about this product is it's completely vegan and also cruelty free, which makes it totally magical for me. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so this product, as you can see, comes in a pack of 2, and this is the intense black in the 12mm size, and it comes in 3 sizes: 8mm, 10mm and 12mm. So since you can see that I am right now in a little glam look with this glittery glam eyeshadow, and my look is more about towards the evening dressy occasion, so I'm gonna go for the 12mm grand wing. So I like it more dramatic. And also I was telling you about the specifications. So this is the left wing and this is the right wing, and it comes with dual ended sides, which is one side is to fill in the liner and the other side is this magical stamp. Just see how you stamp it. I'm going to show you this way. So this is the right stamp. Best part is waterproof, it's long lasting, and yeah, it dries up super quick. And this is the left one, this way. Yeah, so that's the 12mm size, guys. And see, it's just few seconds to the video, there is no cut, but I'm able to put my fingers and it's still on the place, guys. Let's start with the right side first. This is the right one. I'm gonna take the stamp and put it right on the corner. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the outer corner. To show you guys more correctly, I'm going to put it in the outer corner, stamp it like this, guys. So stamp it on the outer corner towards the end of your brow. Now that's your indication point that which side you'll be pointing it to. You can't go it this way because you're going more to inwards than your brow end line, and you can't go this way because that's like going towards the hairline. So you have to aim to like to stamp it towards the end of your brow line. Now that's your indicator line. So you just press it here, stamp. Oh my god, that's it. And then all I have to do is extend the eyeliner all the way inside from the outer corner towards the inside, and voila, I'm done on the right side. How easy was this, guys? This magical product deserves a kiss, guys. A big one. The best part about this product is that it's so easy to carry that I can just carry it anywhere with me, to my work, to my party, do this liner in my car. I have had my daughter do this stamp for me while I have been on the go. Trust me, guys, this product is the real game changer. There it is, the left super easy wing. The first time when I tried this product, I was like, is this for real? It's gonna chip, it's gonna fall out, it's not gonna be waterproof, but none of that is true, guys. This product is for real. Similarly, in the same fashion, I extend this to the inner corner of this eye. So as you can see, I think I'm pretty much set out for my party. I just have to change my clothes, maybe do something to my hair, or I can just go in this messy look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Show me some love. I'm really starting out. I need your support. And if you're liking the videos, leave me your comments in the comment section below, and I'm gonna be making more and more videos for you on your request. What are the kind of videos you would like to watch? Your feedback is really important for me. Show me some love and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Ta-da!